Now, if you've got a MacBook Pro or a MacBook with their new thin butterfly switch keyboard, Apple is going to start repairing them because you likely have problems with your keyboard. I have two computers with that keyboard, my MacBook Pro and my MacBook, and both have been giving me problems. My MacBook Pro often has keys get stuck when a piece of dust gets in there. My spacebar was double spacing. Oddly enough, these problems on my MacBook Pro have worked themselves out, so right now it's okay, but any day of the week when I turn it on, I sometimes have a stuck key or some kind of issue with it. And my little MacBook has a broken shift key. If I hit the left side of the shift key, it doesn't work. I have to move my finger more to the center for it to work better, and that one also gets stuck keys occasionally and other issues with it. And it looks like Apple is finally acknowledging this problem, but they're not really indicating what they're going to do to repair it or if those repairs will result in a long-term fix. Because if they just swap out a key or the keyboard, is it a better design? Is something better about the keyboard now that won't have these problems continue? I'm not sure, and it's a big inconvenience too because the keyboards are kind of built into these things. They're not just a simple swap out, so oftentimes you're without your computer for a week as they try to figure out what the problem is. But I got a kick out of the Apple support note on this recall, essentially, saying that a small percentage of keyboards in certain MacBook or MacBook Pro models exhibit one or more of the following behaviors. And I have two of them, and both of mine are having problems. I don't think it's a small percentage. I think it's all of them, which will at some point either have a temporary or permanent problem. My MacBook Pro has had temporary problems. My MacBook has permanent problems. And I don't know what the long-term viability of these keyboards are, so my suggestion is to get it in and get it fixed.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast: Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.